Alright, so it's been a while since I've blogged about this sort of thing, but it's just something that's probably pointed to include about now, is the finalisation of what I've done with the rockwool insulation into the ceiling space here. Sorry about the late night, but we have got plenty of light here courtesy of the LEDs. But I've done it quite nice and neat here, so we've actually cut away the rockwool and actually made it so it's actually pushed up in here. There's comes with some sort of synthetic little cloth. It's very weak, but we've been able to press that in with actually that license was what we've used. So it's nice and decorative. The next step is then we're actually going to go some Corflute. So I've got a sheet of Corflute that basically does the entire van space in its entirety, and it's full width. $35, no, I think it was $31 Australian, and so a piece of white Corflute in 5mm, I think it is, and we're going to try and put that in here and curve it all the way through the top here to hide all this insulation, even though we've done a nice neat job on it. Over here we're going to get to actually wedge that Corflute in above this plastic fascia here, or that is covering the wiring. Going to finish covering in the wiring, so on this side at least, actually the Corflute's going to punch in there pretty easily, just while we're covering off an insulation into all these little spaces, and in behind these panels that have now been carpeted, plenty of insulation have gone into that space as well as opening up inside the top of the cabin here, and the driver's seat, filling that with the insulation as well. So yeah, job well done. It's actually looking pretty good, even the way it looks. But we're going to try and bury this in Corflute so we can make it look nice and shiny. See you next time.